Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials: license, updated app, and a secured account. First, sign in with your Microsoft account and enable multi-factor authentication so your email stays protected. Once signed in, add your mailbox via File Account Settings Add Account. Outlook auto-discovers server settings for most accounts. Make sure to select the correct account type if prompted. This establishes sync and gives you access to calendar, contacts, and OneDrive attachments immediately. Now configure how you work. Enable or disable focused inbox depending on whether you want priority sorting. Adjust the reading pane and conversation view so message threads are easy to scan. Create folders and set rules to auto-route mail. Use quick steps to compress multi-click tasks into one. Connect additional accounts under Account Settings, add a professional signature for each identity, and set send/receive intervals. These steps optimize daily flow and reduce inbox noise, making navigation much faster. Finish by syncing calendar, contacts, and OneDrive attachments so all devices match. Confirm Outlook indexing completes to make search reliable. Configure archiving or retention policies and export a PSD for local backup if required. If mail won't send or folders fail to sync, clear the Outlook cache, run the Office Repair tool, and verify IMAP/SMTP or Exchange settings. Restart Outlook after changes. If issues persist, temporarily disable add-ins to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.